Okay, so this is actually just about movement. This is very basic movement. There are really different ways of doing movement. You can do it with gravity and all sorts of things. But basically, you need to say if something happens, if I click something, the cat is going to do something. So what we do is we go to events, we say if space is pressed, but I'm going to go right. So then I'm going to go to motion. And because right means moving along the x-axis, I'm going to change x by 10. So now if I press the right key on my keyboard, it's moving right. Okay, if we want to go left, we do the same thing again. When left arrow is pressed, left arrow, we could change x. But this time it needs to be minus numbers because we're going back along the number line. So remember the xy axis. So now if I press S, it goes out. But the problem is the cat's looking the wrong way. So what we need to do is we need to create a costume that means that it will turn to face left when it's not going left. So if I duplicate that costume and then I flip it, so now it's facing that way, that means now I go to looks. So if I switch to costume 3, it will now face that way. But that means when I go right, if I don't change it back, we're going to go the wrong way. So I need to set it to costume 1. So now I need to do that. So now the cat actually changes direction. But what that means is I still need to do, when I start the whole game, I want the cat to look a certain way. So again, I'm going to add to this code up here and set it to costume 1. So when I press the flag, I'm back at the beginning and there I go. All right, and that's how you move.